Hi guys, welcome back. It's out of the box and it's your daran. So let's get into today's topic. It's double entry system. Moving on to the contents. 1. Easy definition. 2. How it works. 3. Applying method. Session 1. Easy definition. Double entry system or dual aspect concept. Double entry system is a method of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a process of recording business transactions. Each transaction have at least 2 different effects over the business. Such 2 different effects are debit and credit. So this is known as the dual aspect concept. For you to get some idea on this topic, methods of accounting and accounting inputs. Next on, Session 2, how it works. Before that, you got to know the extended accounting equation. Assets equal capital plus income minus expenses plus liabilities. Assets equal capital plus income minus expenses plus liabilities. To make it much easier, assets plus expenses equals capital plus income plus liabilities. Assets plus expenses equal capital plus income plus liabilities. Moving to the table, it shows how each element responds to increase and decrease. Here, assets and expenses shows a similar change, whereas capital, income and liabilities shows a similar change. You got to remember this table in order to do double entry. Moving on to Session 3, Applying Method. I have given a few examples on transactions and events. Get a look at these. Next, let's learn a few of them. Transaction 1, Investment of capital. When capital is invested, the cash supplied by the owner to the business increases. Currently, the resources in the business increases too. As mentioned in the previous video, resources in the business equals resources supplied by the owner. A equals C. Therefore here, cash is asset. When asset increases, it must be debited. When capital increases, it must be credited. Double entry, cash account debit, capital account credit. Moving on to few more examples for you guys. The second transaction, purchase of goods. Always remember, unless it's mentioned on credit, consider it as cash. Double entry, purchase account debit, cash account credit. Third transaction, purchase of goods on credit. Double entry, purchase account debit, creditors account credit. Fourth transaction, sale of goods. Double entry, cash account debit, sales account credit. Fifth transaction, payment of rent. Always remember, when it's mentioned payment, it is paid. Double entry, rent expense account debit, cash account credit. Example on event. Damage of goods, stock loss due to fire. Stealing of goods. Double entry, inventory loss account debit, inventory account credit. So finally, end of this session. I guess you guys got some idea on what is double entry and how it works. This is for you guys to recollect what you just learned. If you find it difficult to do accounting, keep practicing. Do more double entry, because if you master the basics, then hard ones are gonna be easy. So ending it over here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos on accounting and click the bell button for new updates. Let us know on the comments what are the new topics you want to talk about and get clarified with. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.